Yeah, hello, good morning. Hope you're doing well. In the last session, we understand how to add styles to our component, right? So today we are going to learn really super important topic like how to add a JavaScript in JSX. Okay, yes, because we understand how to add JSX inside the JavaScript, right? Okay, JSX nothing like just this is a JavaScript file in the header.js the help of JSX, we just added HTML. So again, if we want to add some JavaScript inside this HTML, okay, how to do that? So what is the need of that? So observe carefully. Here, the cart is there. Whenever you just click on item, add to the cart, so the count will change. So something JavaScript is happening here. Okay. So a lot of things are there we are going to understand. And in that process, we are going to we try to create the product the component. So just go to iPhone, just search anything. So if you'll see, this is the product information, right? This is just a simple product. Okay, so just let's try to understand how to design this one a little bit. Okay, not completely. I will give some that complete things to finish that for assignment. Okay, don't worry. So let me create a component called product so that we can understand why we need what is the need of adding JavaScript inside the HTML as well. So components, so just I'm creating a folder called product. So already exist. Okay. Always there. Just let me remove everything. So here we can create a product component. Just please try to practice along with me so that you can learn better. So there is there. So we know right. So export it. Export default product. So that okay. Let me just add some heading like this is the product component. That's enough. So let me add this file into app.js. Okay, I'm just adding here just for learning purpose. Later we can add place it in a proper position. So this components just go to product. So just display the product here. So again, if you see, this is the nesting. So app is a component, right? Inside of that, we are just placing the other components, and even inside of product, you can place another component. So this is called the nesting the components. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, already I just run the application with npm start. Okay, product components is fantastic. Okay, so what? Okay, we need to add some. What's the topic for today? We need to add JavaScript inside JSX inside like inside this HTML. So if you see, it's very simple. So I'm just putting like h1 tag. So if you put 10 plus 10 here, okay, just guess what will be the output. Okay, it will treat as a string. So 10 plus 10 is just it will treat as a string and it will display exactly 10 plus 10. But if you want to make it a JavaScript, simple, just use these curly braces. Okay, inside that, if you just put 10 plus 10, it will treat as a JavaScript. So it will think, it will understand that, okay, this person is trying to inform me that just to do some calculation. So it will do 10 plus 10. So that's it. It will display it. Right. So I hope you guys understood like how to the first step, like if you want to add any kind of JavaScript inside this HTML, inside this JSX, okay, that is possible with the curly braces, okay. And suppose the product is there, okay, let's learn with some more good examples. So I'm just taking like a constant like product info. Okay, just let me know what are the product like if you are using Amazon or something. Hopefully you are aware. Okay, what are the product info? So product has a title and rating and the price and some discount and image URL like that, right? So we can take some examples of product. Okay, title. So product title. So I'm just giving, what's the product title? Just iPhone 14 128, the blue color, something. So that's fine. Just gonna go add the purple place. That's fine, right? The next one is the price is very important for us. Like it's showing some around how much 71,999. So 71,999, and the rating is like 4.5 rating. Okay, fine. And discount discount. Suppose if they are providing the 10% discount, that's fine. Okay, just okay. This is fine for now. So we can add image very soon in next 3 to 4 minutes. Suppose if you want to display the product details. Details. Okay, what we can do? You can just add. Suppose for heading you want to go for a h1 tag. So here this is the JavaScript. This is the JavaScript. So if you want to read any property from this object, what you can do, like product info dot title, right? In the same way, just add here. Okay, product info dot the title obviously it will take the title and it will render in the React component. Let's see Apple iPhone 14 128 GB blue color. Fantastic. Fantastic so far. Just the rating. Okay, right now I'm just displaying the number itself. Okay, how to add that the beautiful icons I will explain later. Just this is just introduction about how to add JavaScript into the JSX. So we can cover up that much. Later we can focus on completing things. So product information dot rating. So it's like 4.5. So you can add some styles. So here I'm just taking h2 tag. There I want to add product price, product information, price. Fantastic. So if you see, hopefully it has rendered properly. So Apple iPhone, this is a title, and it is, yes, this is 4.5. I need to give some left side margin so that you will be able to see properly. So 31,999. So why can't we add some styles here? So just to div. So if you see the style is there again, if you use the curly brace, that means you are adding a JavaScript. Okay. Yesterday we have learned, right, in the last session, we need to provide some object that is a JavaScript object, style object. So here I'm writing. You can do some background color. So just give the light background color for this. Light gray, light green, anything. So light blue. If it doesn't fit properly, you can change the style. So I want to give some padding. Sorry, margin. Okay, so just give margin. Margin. Suppose you can give like 10 pixels. So let's just give a 10 pixel margin at least, so that it will. Okay, see, you got some left side margin, top margin, right side and bottom. So even you can give 20. Okay, right now because we are just focusing on the product information so that you can design it properly. Later in the product listing page, if you want to display 10 or 20 products, later we can design it properly. So right now, okay, so just to understand few fundamentals, I'm just designing. So product component, Apple iPhone. So even right now, we know to display this product component like heading that is not required for us. Okay, fantastic. So that's simple. So how to add an image? So that is very, very important, right? Adding an image. So first of all, where is our image? So let's suppose if you have a image URL directly, suppose this is the image URL I have. Okay, for some, like, this is not iPhone, don't worry. But you can, if you have a image URL, you can directly add an image like this. So image, so it's a self-enclosed HTML tag. So image, and you can give a source. Okay, just provide the path for that, but still it is showing some warning. Image elements must have alternative property. Okay, no problem, I will give alternative property. So observe carefully, alternative property. Here you can give some text. So this is iPhone, the 14 or something. Okay. Or if you see, already we just added JavaScript inside the h1 tag properly. Even you can add JavaScript. Okay, you can read a value from any object with the help of JavaScript, and you can place this text. So if you see, I want to give this Apple iPhone 14 128 GB blue color as an alternative text. So how can we do that? Simply just use again curly brace. That means it will allow you to add some JavaScript. So again, I'm writing product info dot title, because if this image is not loaded properly, we should display alternative text. Here also you can add a JavaScript. Here also you can add a JavaScript. Okay, this is the beautiful thing, right? So hopefully, just let's see, first focus on like whether image is loading or not for us. Oh, image is loading. Fantastic. Okay, suppose if, because you have given the big URL here. So otherwise normally you will get information like this: image URL or thumbnail. A lot of things are there. So instead of hard coding inside that, just copy and paste here. Okay, just remove this one, hard coded one, because maybe sometimes from the server you will get a different image, right? So it's better to make it dynamic. So I need to read the image URL from again object. Again, it's the JavaScript. Right? What's that? Product info. Product info dot image URL. That is fantastic. So if you see, this is also works the same way. But you have a doubt, right, Raghu? Because I'm just taking another image here, another image, another image, another image, another image. Just place it. Image URL. So just read your application. So iPhone 14. So this is the second way. Like you can just hard code it, the image URL, and you can just place like this. This is also fine. And sometimes, suppose if the image is already available in your the folder. Okay, how to import that one? Okay, I will show you that one, and then we can jump into another important topic. So components are there, right? So don't just put images into components, just create a separate folder inside the source directory. I'm just putting the images folder, and just go to your application where it is. Okay, my application is here. Just you can add any image in that folder. So the source directory, the images right now it's empty. So let me just add this image. I have some beautiful image, just copy it, or you can do drag and drop, whatever it is good for you. So when right now, just observe carefully here in the images folder, you got this image. Like why it is showing is correcting. One minute. This is also because it's in that format. It's JIJF. It's better to download a GIF image. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, I have some images here. Okay, let's give some JavaScript. Just check. What is this? Properties. So JPG.jpg is very good. So just copy this one and place in that project images folder. Source images. Just remove this. So I'm not sure. The extension is not supported. That's why only about 100. Everything is good. So what we need to do? So if you just how you can import a CSS file, how you can import another one. So just go and import, okay, my image. Suppose I'm just giving a simple name like image. Just so right now, where is that? Okay, that is there in one level up. Images folder forward slash jpg. That's so even you can say image. So I'm giving image path kind of thing to avoid the confusion. So here you can just directly add that path. So now hopefully you will see this new image. So three things, like one is you can just hard code with a direct the image path, or you can just majority of the times you will get the image path from the server side in this object format or the property. You can add it, okay, for learning purpose. I guess some situations we will use this one as well. Okay, so I'm just commenting this right now. We are not using this one, so it's better to go with product info dot image URL. Okay, so we understand how to add all these things, right? It's fantastic. So I'm just, please download proper image, proper format, and then you can design things from the side. Right now, just okay, it's not in a iPhone, but just consider this image. Right now. So we added this. So we understand a little bit about that. Okay, wherever in JSX, if you want to add a JavaScript, okay, with the help of this curly braces, you can add it. Okay, that should be meaningful and properly. Okay, don't try to add each and every place. This is the simple thing. Okay, that's enough. And okay, in the next video, I will show you how to add event handler. Suppose if you add a button here, okay, if you click on that button, how to trigger any method. Those things I will cover in next video, and then we can learn conditional rendering in another video. That's all for this simple short and sweet video, and thank you.